evening, good evening. See, me tired of waiting for them people, you know, man. What is some... All them people have Mr. Brown and wait. Mr.
I don't like how you owe me money. You are not paying me yet. I need my money back.
Hey, boss man. Hey, bossy.
Hey, it's not a joke. Give me a second.
Hey.
Control.
Are you take the driving exam?
My name is Olade Bosse.
What?
Olade Bosse.
Olade who?
Olade Bosse.
Oh, Lord of mercy. You hear what? I'm gonna call you Jerry. You hear?
Jerry.
Yes, Jerry.
My name is Olade Bosse, please.
Hey, yo. Your name Jerry now. And are you late for your own exam?
Give me a second. Hey, Kojo, tonight I need my money. Don't play with me. You owe me too much money.
Jerry, come off my phone.
I have to finish.
Come off my phone, Jerry.
Give me a second. I have to do this exam, please. Kojo, tonight I need my money. Don't play around with me.
Take out my red pen car.
I'm already failing my test and I haven't even started yet. Give me a second. Kojo, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
On the phone.
I'm not on the phone. Very sorry, myself. Very sorry. I'm not on the phone anymore.
You ready?
I was born ready.
You see all the people.
A Nigerian prince like me is born ready. In fact, I should have carriages pulling me, not drive this nonsense of a whatever you want to call it, automobile.
Nigeria?
Nigerian prince.
And next one, African people. The last girl me having here, some girl from Ghana or something, you know?
Ghana.
You see all the people, man?
Are you serious? You are comparing a Nigerian to a Ghanaian peasant.
Nigeria, Ghana are the same thing.
Okay, you are saying Nigerian. How are they even the same? Where are you from? Let me get Jamaica.
Oh, you
Jamaica.
mean?
That's you, eh?
Jamaica, you mean?
You're just the same like Trinidadians. Yeah, that's the difference. That's what I mean. You cannot say Nigerians and Ghanaians are the same.
It is not the same thing, you hear me I say?
That's my point.
Check your mirrors.
Let me check my mirrors. Okay, the book says make sure it's angled 3 and 9 o'clock. Okay. I am ready whenever you are ready.
Ready? You ready?
Are you that tall? Jamaicans are not tall. Let me scoot up a little bit. You're fooling yourself. You're wearing boots that are 10 feet tall so you can reach.
Yo, Jerry, just hurry up and drive now, man.
Okay, let me sing now, please.
Look a laba man and just a chat. See all the people, man.
Okay, sir. Here we go. And my name's not Jerry. You need to stop that. My name is Olade Bosse. Know your prerogative.
Hold on, me box you. All right, make a left, yes, sir.
Okay, make a left.
All right?
Huh?
Make a left, yes, sir.
Yes, sir?
Yes, sir. Just make a left, man.
I'm making a left.
The people can't understand English or something.
English, eh? What do you know about English?
Me know if you talk proper, that's what me know. Make a right.
Thank you, sir. You're making it right. I check my angles, my mirrors. Okay.
People always talk being foolishness.
What are you writing?
Me are the teacher or you are the teacher? Just drive no, man.
I'm driving.
That's man question. What to you?
Let me ask you something.
Love, man.
What do you think of my dashiki? Eh?
That what?
My dashiki, my outfit.
Where you buy that?
Buy it, eh? My mother knows how to make this.
Oh.
She can make it in a blink of an eye.
I don't know about
what can your mother do?
I don't know about them look a style that.
Make jack chicken and rice. That's it.
Jerk chicken rice? That is real food. What do you know about food? What do you look at look at ketchup rice? No.
Ketchup rice. You mean jollof? Or you mean rice and stew? Which one?
No, I'm talking about look at dirty ketchup rice. Me not ill. Me not eat them. Rice and peas you fi eat.
Rice and peas.
Rice and peas we say. And that you fi eat. Oh, you look at jollof rice.
Jollof rice, you're just jealous because you have never tasted jollof rice before.
Jealous of what?
Of jollof rice. You're jealous.
It doesn't taste good.
It tastes brilliant.
You ever eat oxtail?
Oxtail.
Yeah.
The tail of an ox.
Oxtail, that you fi eat. Them type of cooking.
God forbid bad thing. Somebody eating it.
Yeah. Calm down with the obi or something, you know.
The tail of an ox. Are you mad?
Jamaican people know how to cook. That is real.
You're cooking the tail of an ox. Why not eat the side, the ribs? You're eating the tail, the worst part.
Because
imagine
Jamaican people know
don't
how
have
to make anything and make it taste good. That we are
You make everything to make it taste good. So you eat pig's intestines. You can make that taste good. What do you call that one?
Rasta none am pork. We don't name them something there.
You don't yam pig, but you yam oxtail.
All right. You see the light down there, sir?
What do you mean there, so?
There, sir.
Deso, yes, so what do you mean Deso?
Make a left down Deso. You don't know you're so from Deso?
That street is called Victoria Street. What do you mean Deso? What does Deso mean?
Go make a left up Deso. Make a left. You don't know left?
Okay, let me sing now. This is called pharmacy. So, what? There is nothing that says Deso. What are you talking about? Then you are saying plantain. Is the plant in a tin? No. The plant is contained within the carcass of the plant. That is why it's called plantain.
See, that's why
it's contained.
That's why we know people know. Alright. Do you say mountain or mountain?
Mountain.
You're not saying a mountain, but bad man, don't tell me that something. You say mountain.
Nobody say mountain. Nobody. Who?
Who says mountain? Nobody said that. Just like you say mountain, you say plantain.
My friend.
I'm tired of them arguments, you know. I'm tired of it.
You guys are the same people that call water. Imagine that.
Yeah, because you have to drink water, what do you? When you thirst, when you get
spell water.
Let me say W-A minus 2 pints. You're damn bright. You know, in a local line cloth. Go ahead.
Oh, you have one cloth. And do not insult this outfit of mine.
Eh? No fashion.
Look what you're wearing. You look like you work in a factory.
What do you mean?
Look at your head. Look at your hat.
A Gucci this and that.
A Gucci, you mean a bougie.
A Gucci this. I don't look at scammer people. That's why I don't know about look at scamming. Eh?
Scamming what? What are we scamming? Sir, where are we going? We're going to a dead end. Are you sure you're directing me properly? Ha! I don't know.
Let's make a left, that's a dog.
What? Okay. So this
left, right, yes sir.
Right. I'm just so confused. I'm confused by you. Are you sure you're a director? Yes.
Instructor.
Instructor. First thing first, eh? What's your name?
Mr. Brown.
Brown, eh? Look at your skin. You look, what's brown about you except for your skin? Your last name should not be Brown. Your last name should be Chukuneke.
A what?
A Chukuneke. You're an African, you don't even know that. You are lost. You're calling yourself Mr. Brown. But your last name should be Mr. Chukuneke.
You see, that's why other people always talk some foolishness. Even in your music, everything is, you know, my baby, oh, my little oh, this and the oh, this and everything.
The only thing good that comes from Jamaica is Bob Marley. Your music, the one I heard the other day, something about Clarks, the shoes Clarks in the summer, Clarks in the winter, Clarks in the summer.
Yeah.
I brush my teeth and I use the same brush to clean my Clarks. Which kind of rubbishness is that one?
Don't come this up the world, boss. Hear me, I said that is Vybz Kartel.
Vybz Kartel.
One of the biggest musicians in the world. Who wanna have? Eh?
Davido.
You see, who another man name? But Davido. Who is Davido? Me don't know no O.
What do you?
But me all clot in your face about Davido. Oh, foolishness. Jamaica have every celebrity. We have Usain Bolt. We have
Usain. It's Usain Bolt. You don't even know how to say his name. You are saying Usain Bolt. You are saying Bolt. Usain Bolt. You don't even know how to say your own people's name. You should be embarrassed. Embarrassed. English is not your first language. I swear.
An embarrassing boxing boy. Oh, we have Buja Banton. We have bare people.
Who? Banton? You play badminton?
We don't have no stars. Nobody know. Where you from? Nigeria, Ghana?
You don't know the stars of Nigeria, eh? Don't worry.
Keep going straight, man.
Do you know about Nollywood? Who? Nollywood. The number one, second to Hollywood. Nollywood. Nigeria film industry. What does Jamaica have? Absolutely nothing. What is there to watch?
You never see Shatters.
Shatters.
You never see Shatters, dog.
What is Shatters?
You don't know Oliver.
What? Oliver, the white people show Oliver.
But Nollywood, them look a bootleg movie there, with them look a graphics and something.
And what do you have? What's your graphics look like?
Brother, we
don't even have any graphics.
We don't need them look a Nollywood something, dog. Oh, about Nollywood. Them movie they favor like some look a low budget after school movie special.
Low budget is better than no budget.
What?
How about that? Low budget is better than no budget. And you guys have zero budget.
If you take your look at scamming money and boost up the look at Nollywood budget because...
You keep calling us scammer. First thing first, you need to understand, scamming is a career. Okay? When you are born in Nigeria, they teach you that you need to have control of your life and control other people's life. So it's easier to take someone else's money than to make them give you money. Just take it. It's a career.
Well, control your mouth. How about that? Control that.
The reason why Usain Bolt was able to run fast was because he never had his jaws underneath his buttocks.
Brother, because we know how to move.
No.
We just have movement rhythm in a way.
The first Jamaican that never wore pants below his waist was the fastest. Imagine that.
Brother, we just know how to move. We have rhythm. Unlike, oh no, have no rhythm. We don't know how to
We don't have rhythm. Have you seen our dance moves?
Listen, look at dance moves.
Kukure,
all that.
kukure. I like the money, oh. Kukure, hey. Sangle, hey.
Put your hand on the wheel, boy. Hey, 2 hands on the wheel. You know what's that driving exam? And that's 1 point.
Hey, I was showing you on this.
Show me what?
I was showing you the dance moves. You said we didn't have rhythm.
Them look a full dancing there.
Then why you provoking me? You're provoking me so I can fail.
Brother, just drive, man. About dancing.
You're not regular.
Jamaican people know how to dance. We do the best dancing. That way I say.
You're dancing.
Eh?
All you guys do.
About Willie Bonks, eh?
Willie Bounce.
And shoulder for your fling. Fling your shoulder.
What are you doing? You look like you're having to rest.
Shoulder. Fling your shoulder.
Are you okay? Do you need the doctor?
That is dancing.
You look like you're having a seizure.
I don't know about dancing.
Dancing. You guys impregnate your woman on the dance floor. No wonder there's a lot of the guys that go to the dance floor, they dance on the dance floor and you impregnate them. They go home, they realize, oh shoot, I'm pregnant.
Brother.
And that's when you have a lot of single women out there that are Jamaicans.
What?
Nonsense. Because you guys impregnate them on the dance floor.
Brother.
You're having sex on the dance floor. Does that even make sense?
First of all, dog, it is called daggering. And I saw the girl them like
Dude, what is it called?
daggering, whining.
Daggering.
Want to know about whining
Oh
or
my
something?
God. Daggering. What are you dagging?
Brother, because you know, yo, I saw the girl them like it. Me did have one African girl
Of course
already.
I like it. Who would not like being daggered?
Me did have one African girl already and she said, yo, you are the best me ever having in my life.
Because she's never had an African man. I'm sorry, yo. She was lost. Was she born in Canada? She was definitely born in Canada.
Oh, sorry.
She was born here. This African woman that are born in Canada has never even slept with a real African man. If they do that, hey my God, she will never even look at a Jamaican.
What? That's why she come over here, so because she have one on her range. She said, no, all I do I just yam jollof rice and drink beer and them something there. Oh.
And you guys smoke weed and drink beer 24/7 and get lost in your highness. You're always high. Are you high? You're probably high right now. Calling it a part of my religion.
It's
part
meds,
of my religion.
alright?
Yeah, meds, because you guys need it. Medication. You guys need it. You're not right. You need it.
But talk about Jamaican people like woman and signal thing. You know what? Oh, Jerry. You know what?
Ola the boss.
Me no business. Make a left yourself. And just, you know what? Just go back to the driving place already. Because you know what? Me, I can tell you already, you're coming like you feel. Because you're this and I come this Jamaica and everything, you know. Me not put up with them something there. Me not tolerate them talk there, you know, Jerry. So go back to driving exam because you feel. Hey, go back.
Okay. Hey, my God. Mr. Brown.
What?
Can I ask you for an advice?
Advice about what?
I don't know where to take the girls in Toronto.
The girls? Well, you know, sir, Mr. Brown are jealous from a long time. But see these North American girls?
Mm-hmm.
You have to take them to where you can get spaghetti and burgers. Right? That's all them eat. Spaghetti and burgers.
So take them to Super Mario.
Eastside Mario.
Oh yes.
Eastside Mario,
Eastside.
Burger King, McDonald's, any one of them places there, that's where you take the girls.
Okay.
So what kind of girls you like? You do like girls, right?
Of course. What
Just ask. Yeah.
Girls, man, that's what I'm talking about. You know, because I'm dark, I have to go with the chocolate ones.
Okay.
The dark chocolate.
The darker the berry, sweeter the juice.
Yes,
that I said.
Talking about.
And the one that want to use a breast man or you know, the booty.
I have to tell you something. The breasts are for kids. The booty are for man.
That's what I said.
About the
big round, big booty.
Yes.
That way I said, them type of girls.
That's what I'm talking
big
about.
body girl, man.
Yes.
You ever take some baby oil and rub it on?
Oh my, rub it. Coconut oil, you mean? Not baby oil. Put coconut oil.
Yeah.
Just rub it.
Natural.
Rub it. And when you rub it, you just shake it a little.
Jiggle.
Yes. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes. You know what? You's alright, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, because you know you's a man where same values.
That's
you know?
what I'm talking about.
I'm gonna give you a pass because you bought the girls, you know.
I'm about to get it. When you put that coconut oil, just put your face in. Just delicious. It's a little bit.
You are.
The donk.
No, someone not eating nothing around here, so dog. You know what? You feel again because you look a nasty man. Bob, eat batty. Yo,
What do you mean?
you see that? Why would you nasty people? Come on, come out here, nastiness.
So
Yo.
how do you? How can you just feel me because I like the I don't understand this guy.